Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're an oldie, welcome back guys. So today I wanted to show you guys a soft natural glam, just a very natural neutral color makeup look. So I hope you guys enjoy this quick tutorial. I just pulled my hair back in a bun, and I did not show my face. I feel like, you know, some people may be interested in to see how I do my face makeup routine. And if you are interested, please comment below and I'll be more than happy to post a video showing my full makeup get ready routine. But without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into this video. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed it and made it this far, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload, guys. And if you have not already, check in the description box below. I have my links to all my social media accounts. Please make sure you're following me so we can stay connected. But other than that, stay true and stay you, and I will see you guys in the next video.